Here are the two drawers that I have removed right here. They have been broken, not once, not twice, but 3 times. And there they are, and you can see I'm getting rid of them forever. Here is the cabinet drawer that I'm gonna be replacing. I have removed the drawer that was broken out of here, and all I'm gonna be doing is taking this with a Phillips head screwdriver and removing this and removing these brackets, and then I'm gonna be putting these, which I just cut, and I'm gonna be putting those in here across from the back to here. You'll see how I do that for the drawers to slide on the wood instead of on these little wheels that keep breaking after every single person moves out. You can see I've removed all of the hardware. It's all smooth and flat, and in the very back you'll see a little lip right there. That's what I'm gonna put the wood on, okay? Just like this, well, not underneath that one. You can see it's gonna go just like that, snug in the back corner against that thing right there in the back for a spacer. And if you wanted, you could put a 1x4 in right here for that space. I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm gonna line it up with the front up here, just like this. And there's another piece of wood just like that one in the back right here. It's gonna rest on both sides and flush right there, and our new drawer will slide evenly right on the top of that. But first, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. I'm using this pre-drill hole right here and this DeWalt drill XR. This is a power stack battery and 3-inch screws with a Phillips head bit and this pre-drill hole bit right here. And this is a Milwaukee extension with a magnetic thing on the end of it. And then this is a Klein reversible screwdriver. I'll put all the links to these tools in the description below. Let's go ahead and start pre-drilling the holes right here into this cabinet. And here are the cabinets. Here are the drawers with the handles on them and everything. You can see I've used fence pickets. Those are just fence pickets for $1.98 at Lowe's. One fence picket made both drawers. These handles are $5 each, so that's $5 and that's $5. And then I've used 2x4s for this right here because I use 3-inch screws going through. You'll see here's a 2x4 right here. I've pre-drilled holes right here and one in the middle and one down there. And that's how the rod is going from the very, very back on that little spacer board, okay, that I showed you in the beginning. It's resting right on that. So there's a small space right here, which you could fill with a 1x4 if you wanted to. And I might in the future. But I pre-drilled all these and put 3-inch screws and they stuck through the cabinet. So because that's dangerous, I put this 2x4 on here and cut a 45-degree angle and just painted it green. And I've just used, I think, two 2x4s, and they're $4 each. So $8 for that, $10 for that, $5 for that. It's like $20, $30. And then you've got another 3 fence pickets for the drawers. You can see I've made drawers, which I'll slide it out for you. Okay, I've used 1x4s on the side for the side panels. Pre-drilled everything. You can see how they go, straight cuts. And I've used 2-inch screws. You can see how long those are coming from out here. So 2-inch screws pre-drilled, so they come out to about like this. And I've got one here and one on the bottom. And then over here, straight cuts, pre-drilled through here. So 2-inch screw here and one here. So that's all I'm doing. And then these boards, I pre-drilled on the bottom side, pre-drill, 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 these through into these. All with screws, hand done, handcrafted by GKP. There you go. You can see the screws on the underside. Now, let me go ahead and slide the drawer out, all the way out. And I've numbered the drawers so you can see which one goes where. All straight cuts, all screws, all fence pickets and 1x4s. The 1x4s are $2.98. And that's how it's all put together into the frame. And then it slides in on the rails just like this. Okay, and that's it. Now the stuff that she has can go inside the cabinets, and they're looking fresh, painted. I don't know if I mentioned that. Obviously these are painted. And here's the other cabinet. I want to show you guys something. I have other videos in my doors and windows playlist. But you can see these boards, these fence pickets are sideways. Now this makes a really durable drawer, like it's super strong, but it doesn't slide as good as it does when you put them longwise. So this is probably my second option going forwards. And I have already got videos on how to do handles, knobs, all this stuff's on video. Go look inside my playlist. If this video was helpful in any way, go ahead and like it. Subscribe to the channel if you like home improvement videos, and I will see you next time.